Well, I can't believe it. Well, I can believe it. But it happened again at the swap meet. It's that standard operating procedure where you go out hoping to not spend money, but you do anyways. But I guess who are you really kidding? Because that's what you go to swap meets for. To find those buried treasures. And today's treasure is one of those classic items that you really don't need, but you somehow talk yourself into, thinking that you need. And this relic from the land of rust is just what it says right there. 4.2 liter Jeep Weber carburetor. So this isn't the stock carburetor, but it's a, upgrade aftermarket piece. Now most people would consider a part that's supposed to be an upgrade a pretty obvious thing that you need. Well, in my case, the old stock Carter carburetor has been doing an admirable job for years and really hasn't given me any problems at all. Starts well, runs well, fuel economy, well, it's bad. Well, it's bad in general, but it's good for a Jeep, so I can't complain there. When I've had it off-road, in off-camber situations and going up hills, it's never sputtered, never starved for fuel, so I can't complain about it. However, you always read that there's a lot of hate for the Carter carburetor, and people always upgrade to these Webers. Well, being that I'm cheap, and especially since I didn't have any good reason to upgrade, I've never gotten anything like this. But, when you start seeing advertisement like that, 300 plus new for only 65. I mean, look at that. Looks like the day it was made. So don't worry, I didn't pay full retail price. We worked them over a bit. At 45 bucks was the final deal, which I think we both got walked away happy with that. So all's well that ends well. And what that got me is a whole box of parts. We have this mint condition air cleaner here that is doing a real good job of filtering, I must say. So I'm sure we'll use that. But the real deal is you've got the carburetor, you've got adapter plates, and you've got the linkages, I guess, that you need to put this thing together. Now I'm taking the seller's word on this because I have no clue what I actually need since I never looked into it. But in the heat of the moment, you got to take those chances. So what we got is the basic carburetor here that I'm sure is going to need a full rebuild. I bet you the accelerator pump there's dried out and cracked. Carburetor itself doesn't look too bad. Needs the linkages oiled up and some basic overhaul, but heck, it looks to be all there, unlike its owner that's missing a few pieces. And you get some shiny, what used to be chrome air filter covers. We got a stock linkage pivot that I don't think you need because they already have one. And you've got the adapter plates here, which those are kind of special because you get the little flathead screws and stuff to adapt this thing over to work on the stock intake. And then supposedly the key to everything is this extended linkage arm here that connects the carburetor to the throttle linkage. So there you go. I got a brand new used carburetor ready to get installed and get some more power and fuel economy. But wait, that's sort of the problem. I really have no intentions of actually using this. And after I bought it, it's like, okay, I have the Carter carb, the original one that's on there. It's working fine. Don't want to change it, but just in case, I thought that I needed the aftermarket, supposedly better Advantage option here. So I don't know if I bought this basically because I'm hoping that I never have to use it because the other carburetor just keeps working forever, as good as it is now, and I never have to install this. I don't know if I'll ever have the motivation to rip apart the perfectly operating system and throw this on there. I mean, I might if I'm bored or if I ever run out of projects, because that's always going to happen. Essentially, I guess this is like a plan B that I hope I never get to. If that carburetor ever goes on the Jeep, yeah, I'm going to throw this on there, take the time to put it on and try it, and we'll see how it goes. But, you know, if we're lucky and nothing ever breaks, we're never going to use this thing. So this was basically bought on superstition, hoping that if you buy this with the intentions of changing it over when something else breaks, odds are it'll never break and you'll never have to use this, so you'll have wasted your money, quote unquote. So, heck, I mean, yeah, you're prepared at this point now. Worst case scenario, you upgrade. Best case scenario, you bought this, never use it, and nothing else changes, I guess. I don't know. I gotta quit trying to, put logic into these things. Well, here's some logic. Don't own a Jeep. That'll save you money. Okay, so here's an update after I just got done editing this video. From the time that I actually filmed that and bought that stuff till now, which was only like a month or two, I completely forgot I even bought that carburetor. So after I was digging through my videos, holy crap, I did buy that. I don't know where I put it now. So I actually have to go try to find that box so I can put it somewhere where I can actually remember it in case I need it.